I was trying to do my best in the start because the track was slippery, and if you start bad, then it's difficult to make your rhythm. I took the whole shot, and that's the best thing for me because we are working a lot on the start because I'm such a bad starter, but now I took the whole shot, so that's really important for me. I won the first moto, so I try to do my best again.
So Chiara, really great weekend behind you. Hal shot 2 times and 2 times win.
Yeah, it couldn't be better than this weekend because I took 2-time whole shot and I won 2 times, so that's really, really good for me. And I was feeling pretty much the pressure because it was like begun again the World Championship. And yeah, I can get better than today, so I'm just really happy and want to say thanks to everybody.
Maskarova, MX3, WMX General Manager, glavni menedžer oziroma menedžerka MX3. Aplauz za vse tri, pa seveda šampanjec. Aplauz za vse tri, pa seveda šampanjec.